Batman, Batman, Batman. Batman, Batman, Batman.
Aweh, Millionaire. It's me, and I'm back again. And today is it's the 15th of May 2020. Okay, and today what we are going to be looking at, as you can see, is another smart trader high impact news analysis. Okay, it's Friday the 15th of May, and at 2:30 p.m. we've got high impact news on the dollar. Okay, we've got core retail sales coming out and retail sales on the dollar. And this is another high impact news strategy, another smart trader analysis. So we're going to be looking, obviously, because it's the dollar that's coming out, there's a lot of dollar pairs you can look at, but personally I'm going to be looking at dollar CAD. Okay, I'm going to be looking at dollar CAD, and yeah, like I said, it's a smart trader analysis. If you can hear me and you are with me on this live stream, then give me a 1 in the chat box. Okay, give me a 1 in the chat box so I know that you're a smart trader ready to analyze the markets. Okay, so I was just in a CAD trade right now. It just hit my TP. So it's all about supply and demand. So let's go back to let's hit the charts. Okay, let's not mess around here. Let's go to the charts. As you can see, dollar CAD, I just hit TP on a trade this morning. Just hit TP now, and it's all about supply and demand. So 30 minutes, we're going to see what's going to happen. Welcome to everybody to the live. Welcome Luke. Welcome Gavin. Yep, I love this channel too. I'm loving it too, man. Loving it too. Loving the smart trader analysis. So like I was saying, back on the charts, I'm going to be looking at USDCAD. I mean, because it's dollar high impact news, you can look at any, like, just put the dollar pair with any currency pair that you like. But for me, my favorite is USDCAD. Yeah, let me go to the 4-hour time frame. Let me not beat around the bush here. We're going to be looking at supply and demand. So today's supply and demand levels are very, very simple. On the supply level, on the 4-hour chart, we've got a supply level right over here. We've got a demand level over here, and we have another demand level over here. And if I go to the 15-minute time frame so I can show you exactly what is plotting. Okay, let's go to the 15-minute charts so you can see exactly what I'm looking at. Okay, so the first demand level that I identified was on the 15-minute chart. There we go. So the first demand level which I identified for today is from the 12th of May. Again, I'm using supply and demand. I'm using FX volume to identify exactly where the smart money is at. Okay, because I want to trade with the banks. When we trade high impact news, we want to be trading with the banks. So we have a demand level from the 12th of May over there. As you can see, another demand level we have is on the 13th of May, right over there. Nice and simple. I mean, this is like easy stuff. If you don't understand what I'm talking about and you want to know what I'm talking about and you want to know what the smart money is up to, then I've got a free video training. Click the link in the description to get your hands on that free video training so you can see exactly where the smart money is at. So you can collect those pips like a smart trader, and you know what it is. Trade like a smart trader and follow the smart money. Anyway, supply level 14th of May. So that's supply and demand, nice and done and tested. So sticking to the 15-minute chart, I mean, we had a very easy setup this morning. We had price come off the supply level from the 14th of May to do what? To test the demand level. Okay, so woke up this morning, saw price was testing the demand level. It actually kind of like broke through the first demand level, but I mean, this is a demand zone. Okay, you trade like the banks. You trade with supply and demand. And again, when price tests a demand level, you want to buy. When price tests a supply level, you want to be selling. Okay, supply and demand 101, guys. And yeah, tested the demand level, and then yeah, went in for the buy this morning. And as you can see, nice and clean, bounced off the demand level, triggered, and nice and smooth to the TP, okay, which was just below the supply level. But now, okay, that is, let's not focus on the past, let's focus on the now. Okay, so the now is price is testing the supply level. Okay, and just like I've said, when price tests the supply level, you want to start looking for selling opportunities. So already we know what the dumb mind is thinking. They're thinking it's time to buy. Okay, but the smart trader already out of the buy. Okay, we're looking for new opportunities now. So what I'm looking for now is we'll see how price reacts to this level. Okay, and then possibly look for a sell at the supply level. Okay, when the news comes out, before the news comes out, there's no clear indication that price that it's reversing as yet. Okay, it's just tested the supply level just now. So again, price testing the supply level, we gotta look for selling opportunities. Ever since I started trading a strategy, I'm up 12% this month already. Wow, awesome, Gav. Loving that you're loving the strategy. I mean, this is a simple strategy. It's a smart trader strategy. When it's high impact news, easy pips to collect. It is what it is. Another day, another dollar. So back to the analysis. So this is USDCAD. So a couple of things can happen right now. Okay, like I said, price can test this level, okay, and bounce off. Okay, can test the level and we can see signs to sell, or price can blast through the supply level. Okay, can blast through the supply level. So we want to know where is the next potential supply level. So let's go back to the 4-hour chart so we can see exactly what I'm talking about. So we want to know if price breaks this supply level, where is the next smart trader level? Where is the next level of interest? Where is the next supply level? Okay, there is potentially a supply level over here, but I think that one was tested already, but we'll have a look at it. And let's see, let's zoom out here and see, let's see what the smart money is telling us. Okay, supply level, supply level, supply level. Okay, there we go, another potential supply level over here. Let's see what's going on this level now. So let's start with this next potential supply level for our chart, 15-minute time frame. Now we go to the 15-minute time frame because we want to be as precise as possible. Okay, we want to be as precise as possible. We want to see exactly what is going on here. Okay, so let's see where this level is at. Okay, there we go. So hold on a second there. I think okay, so that's the 21st of April. It's 21st of April, supply level. Again, we're using FX volume to help us to plot it. Skibbity pap, nice and simple. I mean, no two ways about it. Like, very, very easy. So that's the 21st of April, the first potential level. Okay, I'll keep that selected so I can see exactly what's plotting over there. And then the second supply level I saw was over here. So high volume, boom. Yeah, I mean, we can use that level. Okay, but it's in the zone already. Price is already testing the supply level over there. But let's go to the 4-hour chart so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So we have another level over here from the supply level and another level over here. So this is more like a zone. Okay, it's more like a zone over here, and then this is the next significant level we're looking at. Okay, is price really going to go all the way up there? Highly unlikely. Okay, it's highly unlikely price is going to go all the way up there in the next 30 minutes. Okay, but again, anything can happen in Forex. So let's see what I'm looking at right now. Let's see what I'm looking at. So again, I'm looking at price to test the supply level. Okay, again, if it's going to break this level, to go and test this level over there, and then potentially look for a selling opportunity there. So I'm looking to enter a potential sell. Okay, there's no signal. Okay, there's no confirmation as yet. Okay, that the sell is happening. Okay, but I'm talking about analysis now. Okay, I'm giving you a nice overview of the analysis as to what is happening. So test this level, first supply level over there, or to break through and test the next supply level. Okay, and then I mean extreme wise, if really prices is going to continue to go up, then we're going to be looking to test the supply level over there. Okay, but I'm not concerned with that level right now. Okay, so but that is the supply and the demand levels for today. Again, if you have any questions, okay, feel free to ask. Okay, feel free to ask me if you have any questions, and then we will see what questions you guys have. What's up, Spooda? I'm at it again. You know what it is. It's me. I am at it again. Okay, it's a smart trader analysis. What currency? So let me know in the chat box. If you're feeling my analysis, give me a USDCAD in the chat box. And also let me know what currency pair you are analyzing right now. Okay, we do have some time. The news is only coming out in like 15 minutes. Okay, so I mean, I'm feeling generous right now. So is there a currency pair you guys want me to have a look at? Or you're all going to be looking at USDCAD. You're all going to be smart traders, and you're all going to be looking at USDCAD. Okay. I mean, there are other trade setups that I'm in right now. USDCAD, loving it. Yeah, I am in a couple of other setups right now. I'm looking at some setups right now. I'm in USDZAR as well. So let's have a look at USDZAR. I bought USDZAR yesterday. So I'm long USDZAR. It was actually in a bit of profit yesterday. Entered the trade yesterday, was in a bit of profit. Pulled back into the negative, but now it looks like it's heading back. Okay, again, just put when you enter the trade, what you got to do is put the stop loss, put the target, and then let the smart money do the rest. So I'm long USDCAD. I'm also in crude oil. I'm killing crude oil right now. Crude oil stops at break even, and I'm gonna ride this one very hard. So crude oil, again, I've done a video on crude oil, how to trade crude oil like a smart trader, but yeah, I'm killing crude oil right now. Skibbity pap, milking this one. So yeah, I'm gonna see how far this one goes. But the focus for today, the new opportunity for today is USDCAD. USDCAD is the one. We've got high impact news coming out in 15 minutes. So yeah, let's look at some of your questions. Okay, I see some of y'all have questions. Let's see what questions you guys have for me. Okay, we've got some new guys are in. We've got some new guys are in the live right now. let me welcome the new smart traders to the live. Who is in the live right now? Okay, welcome Vusi. Welcome to the live. I see you have a question over there. Let's see what question Vusi has. So right now we'll wait for a sell during the news event. 100%. We are waiting for a potential sell on dollar CAD. Okay, we're looking at sell. Why are we selling? We are selling because price is testing the supply level. Very simple. Testing the supply level. And when price tests the supply level, then we're looking to sell. When we trade high impact news, we trade with supply and demand. Okay, supply and demand. Okay, we don't trade these fucking indicators, MACD, RSI, diverge from here to there, from hell to heaven. We don't do that stuff. Okay, that's amateur trading. Okay, smart traders, we look at the price action and we're looking at the banks. We want to trade with the banks. Okay. You want to trade with the banks or you don't want to trade the banks. If you don't want to trade with the banks, then there's a high probability that you're not going to make money. But if you want to make money and you want to increase your chances of being profitable, then you want to trade with the banks. You want to be a smart trader and follow the smart money. So the smart money, okay, the levels of interest are supply and demand levels. Okay, and right now price is testing a supply level. So we're looking to sell. Yeah, killing oil. Oil, we in it. Stop losses at break even. So now we don't even focus on oil anymore. It's already in the bank. We forget about that one. We look for new opportunities. Okay. And then if you understand what I'm saying, Vusi, let me know in the chat. Analysis on point, too much technicalities, but pure price action, 100%. It's all about the price action, guys. Trading is all about the price action. Okay, you don't see, there are no fancy indicators on my chart. There's only one indicator you need. Okay, it's volume. Volume is the only indicator you need. Okay, none of this freaking stochastic RSI from there to there and then diverge from this way to that way and then do a backflip and do all of that stuff. Okay, we're not interested about that. We want it to be clean and we want to see exactly where the smart money's at. Alright guys, if you're feeling me and you're feeling the analysis, okay, and you're happy with the analysis, then give me a smart trader in the chat box. Okay, give me a smart trader in the chat box. And if you have any final questions, ask me now. Okay, before I end this live in the next minute or so. Okay, before I end it in the next minute or so, let me know if you have any questions, or if you're feeling me, give me a smart trader in the chat box. Okay, or do you want me to stay with you till the news comes out? Do you want me to hold your hand and do you want to watch the news release with me? Then let me know. But to be honest, when it comes to dollar USD core retail sales and the retail sales news, okay, it's not usually like a fast big move. Okay, so it's not going to be like a NFP kind of move. It's going to be normal like setup. Okay, it might take a few minutes, a few hours for the setup to occur and for the setup to play out, etc. Okay, I see a question over here. When would you enter USDCAD? Minutes before news release, or see how the news release reacts? So right now there's no clear usually what I like is to enter before the news. Okay, I like to enter the trade before the news. Okay, because then if there's high volatility, okay, and it's a nice big spike, then you're in the trade and you get in, you get out in a couple of seconds or a couple of minutes. But again, the levels of entry and the levels of the stop loss need to be plotted out. So again, when we enter high impact news, like I've mentioned in my other videos, we're looking at fractal highs and fractal lows for the entry. So fractal highs and fractal lows. So right now, okay, if I just remove these trend lines, right now in terms of fractal high, fractal low, okay, there's no sign of entry, there's no sign of stop loss. So there's no levels where we can add, where we can actually plot the entry and the stop. What I mean is, let me show you in my previous trade. So in this trade where I bought on the demand level, can you see when price came to test the demand level, you could see there was a fractal high over there for the entry. Okay, there was a fractal high over there for the entry. Okay, fractal high for the entry, and then there was a fractal low for the stop loss. Okay, you always want fractal high, fractal low. Okay, you need that structure to let you know where to put the entry and where to put the stop loss. So right now, okay, right now there's no fractal high, fractal low telling us where we should enter the market. Okay, it's just tested the market. So not much, no indicator, no confirmation of entry. Okay, we don't want to get into the trade too early. Okay, I like to place the trade before the news, but also you don't want to enter a trade too early. Okay, you don't want to be like too excited for a trade. Okay, you want to be relaxed. Okay, you want to wait for the setup to occur nicely. You want all the boxes to be ticked before you enter a trade. Okay, you want all the rules of your strategy to be ticked before you enter the trade. So right now, no indicator as yet. So it could be with this setup that the news comes out, does its thing, okay, and then when the price action starts to form on this level, then we can start looking for entries to sell. Or who knows, the price can just continue to blast through the supply level and then continue to go up, like I said before. But then again, we don't know what's going to happen. We don't want to be predicting the future here. So we'll wait and see. So for now, we wait and see what the price is telling us and what it's going to do. So right now, there's no confirmation to enter yet. Okay. Does that make sense? Are you feeling me over there? Okay. Stay with us until the market closes tonight. I mean, yeah, I'll stay till the news comes out for like a minute, guys. I won't be here forever. Okay, I'll hold your hands. Okay, I'll chill with you guys till 2:30. I mean, it's only like 5-6 minutes. But if you have any questions, let me know in the chat box. Okay, keep me company, guys, because I'm done with the analysis. I'm all good. But keep me company. Any questions you guys have, anything, guys, about high impact news, about supply and demand, about volume, about oil, about S&P 500, about any currency pair you're looking at right now, let me know. Okay, let me know. Give me something to do. Keep me company. But news are going to come out in a few minutes. And then, yeah. Then that's USD Core Retail Sales for May 2020. And also, let me know how you guys doing during this lockdown. How's the lockdown treating you? Are you losing your minds? Or are you using this as an opportunity to improve your trading? You're learning something new? Okay, you're bettering yourself? Or are you just suffering yourself, blowing your account and stuff like that? If you're blowing your account, you ain't a smart trader. Okay, then you're on the wrong channel. Okay, smart traders, we don't blow accounts here. Okay, can this strategy work on daily trading? What do you mean by daily trading? Like D1 or like day trading? Be more specific. So D1 is in the time frame D1, or is in day trading, like trading on a daily basis? Let me know, Vusi. How do I think? What's up, Danny? Welcome to the live. How do you think Euro USD will react? Okay, Euro USD, I don't usually trade Euro USD. Okay, it's not one of my preferred currency pairs, but let's have a look what Euro USD is going to do. Okay, Euro USD, let's open up Euro USD. Let's put in the the smart trader set up over there. So Euro USD 4-hour time frame. Let's see what's going on there. Let's see if there's any supply or demand happening. Okay, I can already see a supply level over there. Let's see what's happening over there. Demand, demand, demand. Okay, potential demand level over there. But let's look at what's happening now. So go to the 15-minute chart. Okay, let's see, are there any clues by the banks here? Let's look high volume. Okay. So there's a level over here, like a supply level over there. Price is testing that level. Let's go there. There's another supply. Yeah, I'm liking this one. Okay. That's a good supply level. So this is, what is this? What date is this? Okay, let's zoom out. So we're looking at yesterday. So yesterday, no. So today's the 15th, 14th, so 13th of May. Yes, 13th of May. There's a good supply level over here. So plot this level so you can see what happens when price gets there. But yeah, I'm not, this level here, I'm not feeling this one. Price is testing it right now. So we'll see what price does. So we'll just add a line over there just to keep us updated with what is happening. So we have a level over there. Okay. And then we also had another level. Where was that other level? On the 7th of May. Yes, this is a level I'm interested in. Okay, we're looking for high volume. So there's a level over there, skibbity pap. And there's another level over here. Okay, this level over there. Okay. See, now we can see what is going on now. Now we can see what's going on. Okay, 2 minutes till the news gets released, guys. So keep an eye out for me, guys. Let me know when there's like 30 seconds. Then we can go to USDCAD and see what's happening. But let me have a look at Euro USD. So we've got a demand level here on Euro USD on the 7th of May. Okay, so Danny, make sure you plot this level. 7th of May, we've got a demand level. Two demand levels, demand zone, and then on the 13th of May we got a nice supply level. And then, I mean, yesterday's level, yeah, I mean, I'm gonna delete that one, not interested in this. But pretty much the same thing. Price is testing the demand level, testing a demand level on Euro USD. So this is a potential to buy. Okay, most recent fractal high, most recent fractal low. So most recent fractal high for the entry. Let's do this. Well, obviously, let's look at the analysis. Okay, so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. You can see exactly what I'm talking about. Price, guys, is testing a demand level. Okay, it's coming off a supply level, and it's doing what? It's testing a demand level. So when price tests a demand level, what do you want to do? Do you want to buy or sell? Let me know in the chat if you want to buy or sell. When price tests a demand level, do you want to buy or sell? Let me know in the chat. Let's see if you're a smart trader. Let's see if you're a smart trader. You know what I'm talking about. Okay, so for Danny, boom. Most recent fractal high entry, most recent fractal low. 100% Luke, we want to be buying. We're going to be buying. So there's a potential buy here on Euro USD. Most recent fractal low. So how many pips is that? It's like 20 something pips, 27 pips. Okay. You can put the stop loss over there. Right under this fractal low. Okay. Pending, put a pending order. Okay. Don't be too excited. Don't just jump in for the buy. Okay, let the market come to you. Let the banks move the market, okay? Let the banks do the work. Okay, you just place the entry, the stop, the target, and then you let the banks do the work. So there's a potential buy on Euro USD. Okay, guys, it's 2:30. Let's go to USDCAD, see what's happening. Yeah, not much happening on USDCAD. Still testing the supply level. So again, I'll wait for fractal high, fractal low to go for the sell. Okay, it might take a couple of minutes or couple of hours. Also, it is Friday, guys, so we'll see. We will see. Friday, the market is starting to slow down. Usually after the news gets released on a Friday, we know the market starts to slow down for a bit till the weekend, and then yeah, we can enjoy the weekend and enjoy our pips and enjoy the profits we made from the week. Okay, Sfiso, what up? Welcome to the live. How do you manage your risk and psychology when you're in a trade? Okay, this is a subject we can talk for hours about. Okay, how do you manage your risk? Like, very, very simple. Like, you choose, okay, you make the choice. Before you even get into a trade, you make the choice. How much am I going to risk in a trade? Am I going to risk 1%? Am I going to risk 2%? Or, okay, am I going to risk $10? Am I going to risk $50? You choose the amount before you take the trade. Okay, so that when you put your stop loss, you put your target, you know exactly physically how much you're going to lose in that trade if it hits your stop loss, or how much you're going to make when it hits your take profit. Okay, you need to choose before the trade, before you place the trade. Okay, don't now risk your entire account on a specific trade. Okay, don't gamble your money. So I mean, that's very, very simple. It's a simple thing, but it's not easy. It's not easy because guys want to make millions in one trade. Okay, and I know now, like, I see the fashion now is you place like 50,000 trades on one currency pair. Okay, and you basically you gamble on one trade and you blow your account every single trade. I mean, I don't know, man. I don't know when that became a fashion. I don't even know why it's still a thing. But I mean, yeah, it's amateur traders versus smart traders. What can you say? And how do you manage your psychology when you are in a trade? You manage your psychology by simply, like I said, you place the entry, you place the stop loss, you place the TP, and then you let the banks do the rest. Okay, you let the banks do the rest, you forget about the trade, and you look for the next opportunity. Okay, so like I was saying, I'm in a oil trade right now. I move the stop loss to entry. I'm risk free on the trade, and I'm going to milk it. So how do I manage my psychology? Is you just let the trade play out. Okay, obviously I'm going to trail my stop loss. I'll trail my stop loss as the trade continues to move up. But yeah, it's, I mean, you need to be like a robot. Like, you see the setup, you take it. You don't see the setup, you don't take it. You in the trade, you let it go to TP or stop loss. If it hits a stop loss, it hits a stop loss. Okay, but if you're managing your risk diligently, then you're not going to lose all your money. You'll lose your 1%, you lose your 2%, or you lose your 0.5% in the trade. What's up, Sunny? What up, Sunny? Big ups, brother, big ups. Are you trading right now, Sunny? Let us know. Are you trading? We're looking at the USD high impact news. I mean, not much is happening. Okay, it's not a big, not a fast move, big fast move. No high volatility, but we're seeing price testing supply and demand levels. So we are interested in that on dollar CAD. We saw an opportunity on Euro USD as well for Danny. So Vusi, day trading. Yes, you can. Yeah, supply and demand, 100%. You can use it to day trade. Okay, so every day you open up the chart, you plot your supply and your demand levels on your currency pair, and you look, is price testing the demand, is it testing the supply? If it's testing the demand, you look for buying opportunities. If it's testing the supply, then you look for selling opportunities. So 100%, you use that for day trading. 100%, okay, 100%, you use supply and demand for day trading. Just milked NZD and AUD, waiting for more setups. Oh yes, AUD. Yeah, I did an AUD setup yesterday. If you didn't catch my AUD analysis, okay, there was AUD news trading after the news. I saw a setup on AUD Aussie dollar. So if you want to see that, check the previous video which I did yesterday to catch up on that. But yeah, any final questions, guys? If you're feeling me, give me a smart trader in the chat box. But any final questions for this live? Okay, so again, just to recap, dollar CAD, we're looking for potential sell on the supply level. Euro USD for Danny E, potential buy over there. And USDZAR, I'm long USDZAR as well. But yeah, those are my trades for the day. Dollar CAD setup is the one I'm most interested in. And then yeah, that is it. That is it for today's Forex High Impact News analysis on USD Core Retail Sales. And like I always say, trade like a smart trader and follow the smart money. I'll see you guys in the next High Impact News analysis. I am out. Aweh, Millionaire. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell.
Batman, Batman, Batman.